In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add new contacts automatically from web forms. This process will save you tons of time, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using to make this happen. So stick around till the end. To begin, you want to make sure your web form is connected to the software or CRM you're using. Now, if you've tried a bunch of different options and none of them gave you what you needed, don't worry. I've tested the most popular ones, and I've got one that works flawlessly. I'll tell you more about it in a moment. Start by creating a simple web form on your site. You've probably already done this, but make sure it captures the necessary information like name, email, and any other details you want. If you've never created one before, don't stress. Most platforms offer easy drag and drop form builders that make it simple. Next, it's time to set up your software. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to integrate the form with your software, which will allow it to automatically add new contacts as they come in. If you're using a CRM, go into the settings and look for integration options or webhooks. This is usually found under Automation or Integrations. Once you've located the integration option, choose the form builder or platform where you created your web form. This could be anything from Google Forms to more robust options like WordPress or a custom-built form. Connect your form to the software and map the fields, meaning tell the software what info from the form should go into which contact fields in your CRM. For example, match the email field on your form with the email field in the CRM. Now here's the part that'll save you time. Once set up, every new submission will automatically populate your contact database. You no longer need to manually input each new lead. This process runs in the background seamlessly, updating your contact list with every new form submission. But what if the software doesn't integrate directly with your form builder? No worries. There are tools like Zapier that act as a middleman. You can set up a Zap to automatically send new form submissions into your CRM. If you're not sure how to set that up, don't worry, there are tons of step-by-step guides out there. Okay, so why should you care? This will help you manage leads effortlessly and grow your contact database without any manual work. The automation eliminates the risk of forgetting to add someone, ensuring no leads fall through the cracks. Remember, if you want to follow along and try this process for yourself, I'm offering a special exclusive free trial of the software I recommend for this. You can grab it right from the description below. So, what's the key takeaway here? It's that automating the process of adding new contacts from web forms will save you tons of time, keep your contact list up to date, and allow you to focus more on growing your business. Quick recap: 1. Create a web form. 2. Connect it to the software you're using. 3. Set up the automation so new contacts are added automatically. And 4. Use tools like Zapier if you need an additional integration. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial in the description. You'll be able to follow along step by step with this software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.